Alright, let's go to the town, Mr. Tiny Room story. So, sinimulan ko na ang prologue o yung tutorial nito. It's a Kairi game, so good day sa inyong lahat. And, yun na nga. This is, siguro ito na yung episode 1 or chapter 1 na natin. Talagang sumunod pa talaga to dun sa, sumunod talaga siya dun sa spin the wheel So, ito na. Chapter 1, let's go and play. Father's house. The city map of Redcliffe. Beginning of the journey, when driving through the city, you have not met a single person. The city seems empty, so does the house where you asked to come. So, ito na, guys. Ayan. So, it's close. It's nothing interesting. Sorry naman. Oh, key found. Closed din siya. So, I think gagamitin natin tong key na to sa pinto. Okay. So, I think parang may hinahanap yung tao dito. Ay, gagi. Okay, napipindot ko talaga yun. Folded clothes. Para saan yung book? So, tingnan pa natin to. There seems to be something behind the couch. Look, is there something? What I can use to cut this? Okay. This is getting trickier and trickier. Okay. So, tingnan natin itong mga physics books. Okay. Hanapin natin lahat ng libro. Pasok tayo dito. Yep, hahanapin nga natin yung lahat ng libro. So, tingnan natin lahat ng kasulok-sulukan, pati rep. Baka nandiyan yung libro. Sorry guys. Pati yung rep ay pinagdiskitahan na. Pero sorry naman. So, dahil wala doon, let's look at here. So, it's closed. So, it needs siguro, close. Okay. Wala ba tayong gunting dyan? Or knife, I guess. Oh, I know. Knife. Okay. There's a kitchen there. Oh my god. So freaking tricky. Oh my god, pati yung napipindot ko. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit mahalaga tong libro. So, I guess there's something about this book. So, hindi pa natin kumpleto yung libro. I guess may nagtatago pa din. So, hanapin natin lahat ng kasulok-sulukan. Baka sakaling ano to? Maybe 2, 3, 4. What is this?
A few moments later.
Di ko lang alam kung saan natin makikita. So, what is this? It's a key found. Is this key is for this? Okay, is that for that one? So, ayan tayo sa isa. Mayroon pa tayo sa dito. Mayroon din tayong isa dito. So, tingnan pa natin. Tingnan naman ng bed, oh. TV remote. So, na-move. One. Enter. 2. Enter. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Wala akong makita. Maybe 11. Maybe 12. Maybe 99. Maybe 100. Ay, wala. Wala yung remote. How about here? Screwdriver. Screwdriver for what?
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Oh. Look guys. Kompleto na. Anong ginawa nun? Wala. Damot. Nagligpit lang tayo. Umay. Alam ko, sinasarado ko lang yung pintuan. Maybe screwdriver for this? Screwdriver for what? I'm not a raccoon. I know you are not a raccoon. Sabay ganun, no? Wait. May clue to.
1 eternity later.
To 1. Ton 2. Ton 3. Ton 3. Ton 4. So, 3, 4. 3, 4 muna tayo, guys. Sakto lang ba? Oo nga. 3, 4. Parang yun eh. Yun eh. 3, 4. 3, 4. Panguli pa. 1, 2. Doon sa may gilid. Doon sa may gilid din. Okay. Din sa may gilid at din sa may gilid din. Yun ba? I guess kailangan din natin yan on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mali ako. Or tayo 1, 2, 3. Oh! Illumination is important. TV channels. 2, 3, 4, 21, 5, 6, 3, 34, 2, 1, 56. My gun hits. A gun? Huh? A gun? My father. Why does he keep it? Oh, I think we should watch. TV channel 21. 234 pala. 234. Oh my god. 563. Oh my god, guys. Five, 6, 3 and 2, 2, 1. 1. Sorry naman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What do you mean about that? Kasi I'm very confused. That's all. So you don't tell me about it. Ito pala yung ganun.
Stop it.
So parang may code yun.
Get some help.
Nakita na ba tayong code? I mean, do we see a code? Somewhere here, somewhere there, somewhere everywhere. It's close pa rin kasi hindi natin nakahanap yung... I think here. I think there's something about here. Oh, what is this? Laptop. So, meron tayong laptop. So, nakalagay dito is ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Kasi, tinan nyo naman. This is very tricky. Illumination is important. TV channels. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop it. Get some help.
2, 3. 2, 3. Maybe like this. Or random.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Maybe it's something to do with this laptop. Hindi ko lang alam kung it wouldn't move. So, 2, 2, 1 tayo.
Stop it. Get some help.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Two, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 1, 4, 6. Thank you guys for watching. And I will figure this out in the next episode 1.2. Chapter 1.2 pala, sorry. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.